Alright, we didn't take you with us. I'm sorry about that when we first started, because it was pouring down rain off and on, and we scrambled and we got some boards on here to start fixing the problem where somebody got a pressure washer too close and it grooved out the large sections of the plywood, particularly over here, and they were going to paint it afterwards, but it tore the siding up pretty good. So you got to be careful about pressure washer and wood, particularly plywood that's got some age on it. So what we're going to do is we're going to put these wooden corners, we're going to paint these white, and we'll probably do that afterwards. We put the metal in. We're going to put green metal at the bottom and white metal at the top on two sides, particularly because this side here and this side here gets a lot of sun and they have to constantly paint, and so they're kind of tired of that. So we'll paint the rest of it white after we get this metal on. And we're gonna, basically this is green and white because there's already two other sheds that have the same thing. So we're gonna continue that theme with a green-white theme, and their little country place here has a basic green-white theme. So here we go. We're gonna cut metal to put in and see what we can do to make things better.